Couple little vintage Thule birds. Got yourself a hammerhead guy. This little buzzsaw. This is cool. These are kind of bootleg keshi of the old Japanese Kitaro keshi. These ones are made in Hong Kong, specifically for vending machines. Some sort of little rat guy. I have those sets of those guys. I also have the Thule birds in my store if anyone wants to grab other sorts of things. The blow mold dinosaur. Yes. Get yourself a Dimetrodon. Not a dino. Bullets gets lumped in there with him. Here we go. Very cool. Little stacked tiki totem head. I know you have some of these already, but for everybody else watching, you could stack them on like a tower like that if you have multiples of them. I'll stick them aside. You'll probably get another one hopefully while we're playing, and we can stack them together. They are available in the store too if anybody wants to grab a set of them. What you got here? Oh, that's fun. There's not many of these left in the machine anymore, so fun one. You have like a coral snake, growing snake. And you got Boofang. Also known as Ikai. You can barely see the writing there, but that was I in the last round that I played. You actually could see the original title. They renamed them when they put them in production, which is strange, but Ikai or Boofang. Yeah, a little demonstration. Stacking Tiki Totem. Get these guys stacked together there. There we are. Baking powder submarine. Definitely need to use baking powder, not baking soda. These instructions, you can see it right there, say baking soda, which doesn't work in water unless there's vinegar in it or something. I have instructions on how to operate these on the Monsters Booty Instagram. If you look at the top of the page, in the highlights, the story highlights, there's one called Submarines, and it tells you how to make these work. Now you got yourself a little Slurpee. One of these UV reactive Slurpees. I do have these guys in my store as well. Little sets of 3 of them. They're from a 90s arcade or something. Pretty cool. Couple little mutants. And a pencil topper guy. Let's get a pencil and put him on. Always come with a pencil. Get him all suited up for you. There he is. Put him on a spacey pencil because he's kind of like a weird little alien bug creature. It's one of these vintage skeleton keychains. From Australian vending machines. They're pretty cool. They're Hong Kong. I got them from a guy that had a bunch of good stock of Australian vending machine stuff. Another baking powder submarine. Start a fleet. That's a good one. You got one of these guys, also from the Australian vending machine dead stock. A little saucer man. Jiggler. Hong Kong. Super cool sculpt on these guys. I do have these in my store too if anybody wants to get one of these or a set of these. There's like a wolf man, a hunchback, a demon, and the saucer man. Pretty cool. 2 more spins. Haha. California Raisin. This guy. Also available in the store. Weird vintage California raisin pins. Alright, last spin. And Hong Kong Muscle Man bootleg. Also made for vending machines specifically. Softer rubber pink Muscle Man. Alright, thank you so much for playing.